Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Dr. Dene's reviews from United States. Let's see whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So let's see what this website is offering to the customers. So this website is based on the skincare products, that is based on again face, eyes, neck, SPF and makeup, kits, bundles, body and best selling products. You can see the best selling products and the newly arrived products. Best selling products like Dr. Dene's Hydro Shield Ultra Moisturizing Face Serum, Dr. Dene's Advanced Firming Facial Pads. So many products along with a reasonable price. You can check those products by visiting their official website. So let's go to the payment option. So if you go to FAQs, they said that they accept all the major credit and debit cards. Upon completion of transaction, you will receive a confirmation email including your name, shipping and billing address and details of your order. Let's go to the shipping policy. So they do free shipping on all orders over $65. So most of the orders ship on the same day of your order is placed if placed before 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For domestic shipping is one flat fee per order $6.95. All orders $65 or more qualify for free shipping. They need 2 to 5 business days. For Canadian shipping, one flat fee per order $25. All orders $200 or more qualify for free shipping. They need 10 to 15 business days. International shipping is one flat fee of $50. All orders $350 or more qualify for free shipping. They need 10 to 15 business days. So all the orders deliver via USPS. So let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a legit or a scam. So this website is protected by HTTPS, that means the payment gateway is safe and secure. It is registered on 16th June 2003 and expires on 16th June 2026. It is an old website and it is registered for a longer period of time. So let's go to the About Us page. So in About Us page, they explained about the story of Dr. Dene's. They said that she is the first doctor to specialize in anti-aging medicine, creator of award-winning Dr. Dene's Skin Science and a top seller on QVC. Dr. Dene's had made it her life mission to help women look younger and feel younger and live healthier lives. They explained about her story, that how she was introduced to the skincare products and understanding the aging process, which became her focus and passion. After her graduation, she opened her own anti-aging medical practice. So everything you can see along with their pictures. So let's go to the contact address. So contact address, they mentioned here the phone number along with their working hours and email ID. Ask the doctor at drdenes.com. If you go to shipping and return policy, there they have mentioned the physical address for return and exchange of their products. So let's go to the social media presence. So it is present on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, etc., where this website is very active. So let's go to the return and refund policy. So in return and refund policy, they accept within 30 days of package arrival. Any product defects or issue must be reported within 14 days of packing arrival. So return, you need to speak with the specialist and fill the return form and enclose it with your order and repack it and send it to their mentioned address. And returns are accepted and they include the sales tax collected at the time of purchase and less the shipping costs. So let's see the customer reviews. So customer reviews, they are uploaded in the website, and also you can see if you Google it, they achieved 4.6 rating, which is a very good rating, and almost all the reviews are very good. All the customers are very satisfied with their products, and they say about Dr. Denise that she really cares about and passionate about helping others, and most of the people recommend their products. And she always answer all their questions about their products. So there is a very good customer reviews. I can see the content detailing is very good. There is no spelling errors. Products are well specified. There is no duplicate images. So friends, based on the above discussion, this website is possibly a legit website because there is lot of positive points, and I also advise you to check all the points before you do any payment or selection of the products, and you can think of investing in this product. This is a trustable website. So friends, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.